In this lesson, you'll learn about the different ways that we can find the average in a set of numbers. And while the words mean, median, mode, and range might be unfamiliar to you, you might already know the words average, middle, most frequent, and difference. Let's begin with the mean. The word mean is what we usually refer to as the average. In order to find the mean, you add the numbers that are in the list and then divide by the number of items on the list. Here's an example. Here's some test scores from Mr. Math's class. The student scored 82, 93, 86, 97, and 82. To find the mean, the first thing you do is add up the entire list of numbers, and you get a sum of 440. And since there are 5 test scores, you divide 440 by 5, and you get 88. 88 is the mean. 88 is one way to represent the numbers in the list. Another example of an average is the median. Median means middle. To find the median, you put the numbers in the list in order from the smallest to the largest, and then you choose the middle number. In this example, we have 5 numbers: 78, 93, 86, 97, and 79. The first thing that we do is we put them in order from smallest to largest. So here they are in order: 78, 79, 86, 93, and 97. The next step is to pick the one in the middle. And in this case, it's 86. 86 is the middle piece of data in this list. 86 is your median. Here's an example where our list has an even number of data. When we put it in order, from the smallest to the largest, as shown here, we see that there are 2 numbers in the middle, 86 and 88. In this situation, you have to find the average, or the mean, between those 2 numbers. And the way to do that is to add the 86 plus 88 together and get 174, and then take the 174 and divide by 2 to get a median of 87. Can you see another way of doing that? Another way of doing that is to recognize that the median is right in the middle between 86 and 88. And the only number that fits that's halfway between 86 and 88, is 87. So our median is 87. In this third example of finding the median, we see that 85 and 89 are the middle 2 numbers in this set of data. So our median has to be right there in between 85 and 89. Another way of doing it is writing out those numbers that are between 85 and 89. So we could write 86, 87, and 88. Those are the numbers that are between 85 and 89. Then, of course, all we need to do then is to pick the middle number in this series, and that would be 87. 87 is the median in this set of numbers. Let's take a look at example 4 of finding the median. In this set of data, the 2 numbers that are in the middle are 56. So we need to find the median, the number that's in between, right there, between the 56 and the 56. Now, if you said 56 and a half, that is incorrect. 56 and a half is halfway between 56 and 57. It's kind of a trick question. There is no number between 56 and 56. If you get in this situation, 56 is the median. Another way of looking at the average is to use the mode. Now, mode means most, the most frequently used number in the list of data. Now, here's a list of temperatures for 1 week. If you put them in order from smallest to largest, it's easier to see which number occurs more often than any other number, but you don't have to put them in order. However, in this case, it is easy to see that we have 3 temperatures that were 77 degrees. So 77 is the most frequent number, the number that occurs more often than any other number up there. So our mode is 77 degrees. In the second example, we've got different temperatures for the week. And when they're in order from smallest to largest, we can see that there are 2 numbers that are used twice each, 63 degrees and 68 degrees. When you get a situation that's like this, you actually end up with 2 modes. One is 63 degrees and the other one is 68 degrees. In example 3 of finding the mode, again different temperatures for the week, when they're placed in order you'll see that none of those temperatures are repeated. Each temperature occurs exactly 1 time in the list. When this occurs, we say that we have no mode. There is no mode in the set of data. The last type of average we'll look at is the range. And the range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number in a set of data. To calculate the range, we take the highest number and subtract the lowest number, giving us our range. In this example with the temperatures for the week, I take my highest number, which is 83 degrees, and subtract from that my lowest number, which is 77 degrees. And 83 minus 77 is 6. So the range of numbers is 6. And now you know how to find the mean, median, mode, and range.